Yeah, I store just about anything in here we don't use in the house or out in the yard a lot. I built the second floor for like seasonal stuff, you know, that we only bring down in certain parts of the year, or just stuff we need to get up out of the way. But as you can see, I store a little bit of everything in here. Me and one of my brothers did the concrete, and so once we had the concrete slab out here, I started assembling the pieces. You have to assemble each arch individually, and just laid them all in order on the slab. And then once we had all the pieces put together, it took about 6 or 7 of us to, we created a pulley system that would raise them and stand one section at a time, and as we stood them, we would screw them together. And just started in the back and went to the front, you know. That process took maybe a day and a half. They went pretty good. I never thought I would have as much stuff in here, but seems like the more building you get, the more stuff you accumulate. Yeah, I'm very happy with this building, and don't know what I'd do without it, you know. Like, I work on my trucks, my cars, my tractor, build cabinets, whatever, just whatever I need to do, you know. It's a good open space for me. You know, it's a very sturdy, strong building. Matter of fact, I've told my wife if a hurricane or something come through, I think we'd get out of the house and come out here in this. Yeah, it's just super strong, you know, the way it's embedded in the concrete. It's not going to go anywhere. It was the cheapest per square foot building I could find. Yeah, and I'm very happy with it.